A byproduct of consumerism is, well, clutter. In other words, mountains of quote-unquote stuff that's not just useless but even decreases our quality of life by filling up every last inch of usable space in our homes. Please do not fall victim to the sunk cost fallacy, or in our case, the belief that just because you bought a ton of stuff, that money will go to waste if you don't keep it. Bad news. That money is already gone, so ask yourself what you'd prefer. 1. No money and no free space, or 2. No money but a bunch of free space. Hopefully, you'll choose the second option, which brings us to another economic dilemma. Should you A. just throw useless stuff away, or B. try to sell it on platforms like eBay? Well, it all boils down to how much you value your time. If we're talking about a $500 object, then unless you're a multi-millionaire, it's probably more than worth your time to sell and ship it because, hey, $500 is a decent amount of money. If, however, we're talking about, let's say, a $2 item that would take you 2 hours to sell and ship, yeah, being paid $1 per hour probably doesn't sound all that appealing. As always, common sense needs to prevail.